So, welcome back, my dear students. Now, move on to the last and final journal question. Okay, after that, all your efforts are over. I promise you. Okay, so without wasting time, just note down the last question. Okay, those who are noted, just skip it. Okay, this is your last question. Just pause the video and write in your notebook. Okay, now try to do the solution of it yourself and match your answer with my solutions. Now pause the video again. Okay, now let's check. Okay, now let's move to the lab. Okay, so after creating the Banerjee company, so if anyone is new to my session, having problem in creating company, just click on the I button showing the company creation. Okay, so as 4 classes is over of journal entry, so I hope now you are mastered in journal entry session. Okay, so there is no need to tell you. Then of my formality, because of my formality, go to accounts info, then ledger, then okay, then now pause the video and now create the ledger accounts. If anyone having problem, again go to the info button which is showing journal part 1. Okay, there I have clearly explained how to create ledger account. Okay, now pause the video. Okay, let's begin. So I assume that all my students have created accounts. Now let's match with it. Okay, so 15 accounts have to show. Okay, now let's check. So I'm doing with you, you may do with me. Okay, cash okay, I suppose everything is correct. I assume that. Okay, after creating ledger account, see once again memorizing you, go to single group and then go to create, and after creating everything, after creating single accounts, go to multiple groups, then alter, then recheck everything. Okay, then pass journal entry in accounting voucher. Okay, so now pause the video and pass journal entry. If anyone having any problem regarding how to pass journal entry, or anybody new to the session, kindly watch journal entry part 2, which is of my video, which is showing in the I button. Okay, now I have passed the journal entry. Okay, so let's check now. How to check? Now go to in GOT or gateway of tally. In there, go to display. There, go to daybook. There one account will only be shown. Then go to period or alt plus F2. Okay, give an end period. Okay, then many accounts will be shown. Now just go to configure and just change from contents to detail. Okay, show narrations only, so you have to change to yes. Okay, so your journal entry has been passed. Okay, just recheck it. Now we have successfully completed our journal entry part. So please like, share, subscribe. Okay. With